Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the quickest way to make jollof rice. You need a lot of onions. I've got 3 onions sliced, some chili powder, and then your spices. I'm using curry and nutmeg, and 2 stock cubes. Because this is a shabu shabu recipe, I'm going to be using tomato puree, or what we know as concentrated tomatoes or tin tomatoes. This method is completely different from the normal way we make jollof rice. So I've preheated some oil. I've added my onions and I'm going to saute for a few minutes. When your onion is halfway done, you add your spices. So I'm going to add my chili pepper, curry, nutmeg, and then the stock cube. So here comes the difference. Add your rice at this point. Yes, you heard me right. You have to add your rice now. Stir and make sure every single grain is coated with oil. I use 7 cups of rice, not the normal measuring cup, but the cup that comes in with the rice cooker. So take note. I'm going to add my tin tomatoes. This is a 200-gram tin tomato tube. I'll be using 1.5 tube. What makes this recipe so special? It is quick but very delicious. I learned it from a group on Facebook. I tried it, I loved it, so I decided to share with you guys. I'm adding half tube of tin tomatoes, so it makes it 1.5 tubes in all. The amount of tin tomatoes to be used will depend on how much rice you are cooking. When everything is well uniformed, you add your salt to taste. Here comes the second trick. Add boiling water to the rice. This will help it cook very quickly. So you add appropriate water to it. I'll try with some boiling meat stock the next time I make this, and I know that one will be super delicious. I'm going to turn my rice after 10 minutes of cooking on high heat. I'm going to cover it with some parchment paper so the rice cooks faster. My jollof rice is almost done. I'll cover it for an extra 5 minutes, and it took me 40 minutes from start to finish, guys. It was so quick. Give this recipe a try and you will not regret it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video. Bye. Contact me for your favorite Ghanaian dishes if you're in Leicester.